Jai Hind students. So today we are going to learn about the addition, subtraction and multiplication and division of fractions. So let us start with addition. For example, random number I am taking 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Now how we are going to do? Already we have discussed this in our part 1 video. If you didn't watch, you can watch it. Let me revise it again after taking one question. So 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. How we will do? First thing what I will going to do, that I will draw one rough line for our rough calculation. We need to take the LCM of our denominator. Take LCM of denominator. Okay. Now let us start. 3 and 5. What will be the LCM? 3 ones are 3, 5. After that, what? 4 by 5 I am going to add. Already I told you what is the next step I will need to do. I will put here multiply dash multiply dash multiply dash multiply dash. After that I will put here equal to symbol, again equal to symbol, and dash dash. Now what the number I got? The number I got here, it is 15. What is the LCM? 15. Now dear student, what I will do? I will write here in denominator 15, here also denominator in 15. After that I need to check here 3, how much I will multiply, I will get here 15. So 3 I will multiply, 3 5s are 15. So I will multiply above also the same number. After that, how much answer I will get, students? I will get here 3 5s are 15, numerator part 2 5s are 10 I got. Similarly, suppose I need to do for denominator also. I will check how much I will multiply, I will get 15. So 5 3s are. So I will apply the above also. Now 4 3s are. If I multiply these two terms, how much I am going to get here? That I am going to get here 12. Okay, very good. Up here clear. Now what I will do next step? Now I will add these two number, this number and this number, because it is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Already we know what is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means it is same as your original fraction. 10 by 15 plus 12 by 15. Okay students, after that what we are doing, that we are taking the same base. Means if it is 15, then I can take as a 15 15, then I will write here 15, and the above number 10 plus 12 I need to do. 10 plus 12 if I need to do. Now what is the answer here? 10 plus 12 I will get here 22 by 15. So what is my final answer, dear student? 22 by 15 I got the answer. Okay. Now let us solve same question by another method. Okay. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. This is little shortcut method, and basically each and every one of us are using this method to solve it. Now how what we'll do in this method also, the step 1 I am going to do here, that I will take LCM of denominator. Now let us start. 3 and 5, what is the LCM, dear student? Let us start from 3. 1 3 1s are 3. After that 5 1 5 1s are 5. Now what will be the LCM? LCM will be your 3 into 5. If you don't know LCM, already we uploaded one video, you can check it out. 3 5s are 15. LCM of the denominator, how much I got, student? 15. Now here your interesting parts will start. That is, now I will write here denominator 15. Clear student? What is the numerator part of the left side? As you are able to see here 2, and here it is 5. Okay. Now what I will do? I will make here bracket. Now I will write 2 into, and again bracket close, I will give space, plus 4 into, I will keep space and bracket close. Okay. Now why I have kept there? Because I need to identify. Up to here clear? Now I will check 3 how much are 15, dear students? 3 5s are. Correct? Then I will write here 5. Are you able to understand? Here 3 I checked. 3 how much are 15? So 3 5s are. So I have written here 5. Again second, I will check here for 5. 5 how much are 15? 3 ja. Up to here clear student? I will write here. After that what I am going to write? 5 2 ja 10 plus 4 3 ja 12 by 15. Now let me check the answer. 10 plus 12, 22 by 15. We got the same answer, correct student? As you are able to see here, 22. How much answer we got here, dear student? What is the addition? 22 by 15. In previous method also, how much answer we got here? 22 by 15. So both the method you can apply and you can solve it. Now let us move towards the subtraction. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Okay student, same question. Now let us start how to solve it the question. The step 1 method. Take LCM. Take LCM. Let me write there the method name. Let it be method 1. And second method that we are going to solve by method 2. Take LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Now what is the LCM? How I will solve? So first I will draw the rough line. Every time you should use this rough line as your reference. Now let us start. 3 and 5. 3 comma 5. Okay. 3 1s are 3 and 5. Again here 5 1s are. Clear? Now what is the LCM, dear student? LCM will be your 3 into 5. This number I am going to multiply. So 3 5s I will get here 15. So what is the LCM, dear student? 15. Now after that how I am going to write? Step 1. So first I am going to take 3 by 5. I will write. Next 3 by 5, and what is the next number? 4 by 5. Okay. Now after that what I will do? Already I told you that I will place here multiplication sign, multiplication sign. I will make long bracket, multiplication sign, multiplication sign. After equal to dash, equal to dash. Okay. Now how much LCM I got, students? LCM I got 15. So I will write here 15. Again I will write here 15. Okay. Now my target, now next target is that I need to find out 5 how much of 15. So 5, dear student, 5 3s are 15. So similarly I will keep the number above also. Now 3 3s are how much in student I got? So this number I will multiply and will check. So 3 3s are 9. Very good. Now in same case I will going to check this number, lower number also. 5 how much of 15? So 5, sorry, here it should be 3 by, oh sorry, it is written 2 by 3. So let us take it. Here a small mistake we have done. Now let me rectify it. For it is written 2 by 3, this fraction. Okay. Now 3 how much of 15, students? 3 how much of 15? Can you able to explain? Yes. 3 5s are 15. Now this matched, correct or not? Now what I will do? I will place the number same above. So 5 2s are 10. Again 5 how much of 15, dear student? 5 3s are 15. Now I'll put above number also. 4 3s are 12. Up to here I got. Now how they are arranging? 2 by 3 is first, minus 4 by 3. Now what I will do? I will minus this number and this number. Now let us start. So I will do 10 by 15 minus 12 by 15. Yes. Now what I told the result, dear student? 15 15 I will write base same. 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 how much, students? Already I told you 10 and they are telling minus 12. As per the integer property, if the sign is not written, I will write here plus. Plus into minus, minus I need to do. So first is 12 is given over there, 10 is given over there. So I will convert it. If you don't know how we are converting, then you can watch my integer video, it will be clear for you. So I'll make minus 12 plus 10. Clear? Now plus into minus, the rule is that plus into minus, that is minus. So I will subtract. Now 2, 1 minus 1, 0. And sign of bigger number. What is 12 is the bigger number, so answer will be minus 0, 2. Means minus 2 by 15 is my answer. Up to here, are you able to understand? Okay. Now let us solve the same question by shortcut method. That is your method 2. Method 2 of subtraction. Let us start. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. What I will do in this step also I am going to do here. First I will draw the rough line. Okay, now let us start the take the LCM of denominator. Take LCM of denominator. take LCM denominator 3 and 5. Okay, now let us start 3 comma 5. Now let us start how much I am getting. 3 1 ja 3 comma 5. After that 5 1 1. Okay, now what is the LCM, dear student? LCM will be your 3 into 5. 3 5 ja 15. Clear, student? Now let us start taking LCM. How much I got? 15. Now I will solve by shortcut method. What I told you, whatever the LCM I got, what I will do, I will write in denominator part. Okay, now I will write here 15. Now what is the upper number? 2 and 4. I told you how to write it. So carefully watch this. This 2 I will write it here. 2. Now I'll put here into. Now after putting here into, you need to identify 3. Are you able to see here? 3 how much are 15, students? 3 5s are very good. So I will write here 2 into 5, means whatever the number that I am going to multiply the denominator part, that I am going to write. Again, next option is there 5. 5 how much are 15? 5 3 ja, very good. Now let us apply again. So 4 number is given over the numerator part, as you are able to see here. 4 I have written here. 4 into 5 3 ja. Clear, student? Now let us start. 5 2 are 10 minus 4 3 are 12 divided by 15. How much answer I got? 10 minus 12. Again 10 minus 12, and before sign means it is plus. The low plus into minus minus, and the lower number is your greater. So I will transfer this number and make it like 12 plus 10. Now I am going to apply plus into minus minus. So I will do subtraction. So 2 1 minus 1 0, and sign is 12 is bigger, due to that minus 2. So minus 2 by 15 I got the answer. As you are able to see here, here also we got the minus 2 by 15, and in this question also, as you are able to see here, we got the answer minus 2 by 15. Means by both the process you can apply and you will get the same answer, dear students. Okay, very good. Now let us move towards the multiplication, whether we are getting the same result or not. Now let it be in this format also. Let us take two methods, or else one method also you can solve. Every time you will get the correct answer. Let us solve 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Okay, now how I am going to solve? So always remember multiplication, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator, that we need to do. So what is the answer? 4 2 ja 8, 5 3 ja 15. Directly we can say the answer. This type of question that we can expect, that if you know the concept you can easily solve it. This is simple process. Now let us move after multiplication, division part. Now division, how we are going to solve? So let us start division. So division, let me give you a new question. Let me 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. Maximum of the students will face the difficulty because they don't know the correct process to solve it. Now see here how I am solving the question. Now first number is what? 2 by 3. So I will write here 2 by 3. Clear, student? This part I have written here 2 by 3. Divided sign means I will put here long divide sign. After that next number is how much? 4 by 5. Okay. Now the process is there. One rule you should remember. Let me write here rule. Always remember, you can if you wanted to get the correct answer, you should remember lower to lower, lower to lower, upper to upper, upper to upper, lower to lower, upper to upper. Now let us start how we are going to apply it. So lower, or else let me mention it in your simple language so that you can remember, or else let me explain you first, after that you can apply this. See that, always remember lower. What is the 5 value I am going to, as you are able to see my arrow, correct? 5 into 2, whenever the number will be there, lower to upper, and it will be middle to middle. Understanding? Means the 5 is the lowest one, so let me write here lower, lower to upper. Are you able to see here? Lower to upper, topmost, and your middle, middle to middle. Which one is middle? That I will multiply in middle. So how I will apply now? Now arrow, follow the arrow mark. What is first? 5. Now I will do here 5 into 5 into what? Where is the arrow ending? 2 divided by. Next arrow is starting 3, as you are able to see here 3. Okay, 3 into where is the arrow ending? 4. Okay, now let us add 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. Up to here we got the answer, dear student. 10 by 12. Correct, students? Okay. Now, dear student, we will leave this number as it is? No, we will never leave this number. Why we will not leave this number? Because this number is in equivalent form. We can further simplify it. Correct, student? 10 by 12 I got. We can further simplify. How we are simplifying, dear student? So first we will take 10 and I will do the prime factorization. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Okay, next 12, denominator part. I will do here prime factorization. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now I will write here 10. How I can represent? 2 10 I can represent it by 2 and 5, and 12 I can represent by 2 into 2 into 3. Now 10, let us start. 2 into 5 divided by 12 I can represent 2 into 2 into 3. Now let us check whether we got the correct answer or not. Now after that, now 2 cancel and remaining number it is not there, so 5 2 3 is 6. So 5 by 6 is my final answer. And already let me revise you once again. This 10 by 12 where we are going to solve that term, let me mention in white color so that we can easily represent. 10 by 12, as you are able to see, this is known as your equivalent form, that we already know, equivalent fraction. And this where we simplified, that is known as simplified form or irreducible form. Simplified form or irreducible fraction, that also you can say. I hope that you got the logic how we are solving it. Now 2 digit so we have solved. Now let me take a 3 digit number. After that let me tell you 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 6 by 7. Now let us start solving the equation. Or else let me take a different example. Up to 2 by let us take let me take here 4 by, let it be here 15. Okay, now how we are going to solve this? Suppose these type of questions are there, then let us take one more. Let us revise, okay, whatever we have learned. This is the addition process. Now how I will follow? So first thing that I am going to draw is that rough line I will draw. After that, what is the next process, dear student? Next process, every time we are doing here, take LCM of 3 and 15. Okay, now let us take the LCM of 3 and 15. Now let us start. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1 1. Correct. Now LCM will be what? LCM will be your 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now, since we got the LCM 15, now what I will do, the students? Step 1, 2 by 3. This is your method 1. Okay, students, same question we can solve by another method also. Method 1. 2 by 3, I will put here into. Now, what is the second number? Second number is 4 by 15. I will put here like line and into. After it equal to dash. Now I am going to write what is the LCM I got? 15. So I will place here 15 and denominator also 15. Now I will check 15 how much of 15 I am going to get. So 3 5 I will place upper part also. In the same way, now 2 5 how much, student, we are going to get? 2 5 10. Okay, very good. Now we'll check 15. How much of 15, students? So 15 1s are very good. After that 4 how much so denominator I got here 1, so I will write here also 1. 4 into 1 4. Up to here are you able to understand? Now these two fractions I got. Correct, student? Now what I will do? I will add these two fractions. So let us start. 10 by 15 plus 4 by 15. Already I told you, if the base is same, then directly you can place it as common after the, because these both are the like fractions. What do you mean by like fraction? If the denominator is same, then it is known as like fraction. 10 plus 4, 14 by 15. We got the answer. Hope you understood it. Now let us solve the same question in another method. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 15. Let us solve by method 2. How to add it? Okay, students, let us start. So first step, what we are doing? We are making the rough line every time, so that it will be easy for our calculation. So what we are going to do? So we will take LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. So 3 and 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1 1. Now what will be LCM? LCM of 3 and 15 will be your, we need to multiply these two. So 3 into 5 I am going to get here 15. Now LCM of denominator is how much I got, student? 15. Okay. Now what is the next process that I am going to do? Now I will make one straight line. I will keep my denominator 15. Now I will check, students, here 3 how much are 15, students? 3 3 5s are, very good, 3 5s are 15. Now I will take this upper part, that is 2 into 3 how much are 5s are, very good, plus, because plus sign is in between, now 4 is written over there, 4 into 15 how much are 15, students? 15 ones are, so I will put here 1. Now let us check, 2 5s are 10 plus 4 ones are 4 by 15. So 10 plus 4 I am going to get here 14 by 15. Are you able to see here, students? Now let me tell you about the previous figure. Now as per previous, how much answer you got? 14 by 15 as per method 1, and as per method 2 also how much answer you are going to get? 14 by 15. Hope you understood how we are solving the answer. Whichever the method that you find easy, you can take it out, okay, and apply it. Now same question, suppose 2 by 3 minus 4 by 15. Suppose it is subtraction, then what I will do? Now let us take LCM. Every time the denominator part I will take the LCM. Then only I am going to solve it. Take LCM of 3 and 15. Now let us start. First I will draw the rough line. Very good. Now you have understood perfectly. Now I will draw here rough line. Okay. Now what I will do here? Up to here rough line I have drawn. Now I will take the LCM 3 and 15. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1 1. Now LCM of 3 comma 15 will be your 3 into 5. Sorry, 3 into 5, because this number is there. So 3 5s are 15. So LCM of 3 and 15 is 15 I got. So now what I will do is, students, now let me write here method 1. Method 1, how I am going to solve. So I will solve 2 by 3 dash into. Next number 4 by 15 dash into equal to dash. Now what is the LCM we got? 15. So I will write here 15, and I here also 15. Now 3 how much of 15? 3 5s are, very good. Now this number I will write above also. 5 2s are 10. Now 15 how much are 15, students? 15 ones are. So I will write 1 here also 1. Now 4 ones are 4. Clear? Now what is the next step that I am going to follow? So I got 10 by 15 first number, minus I need to do second number. Clear, students? Now see here how I am solving. So up to here, if the base is same, sorry, if the denominator is same, then we consider it as a like fraction. Now let us start. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, how much I got, student? 10 minus 4, 6 by 15 I got the answer. Now can you tell me it is an equivalent form or standard form? Equivalent form means the number which we can solve further. A standard form means which we can't solve. Now let us check 6 by 15. So 6 by 15, what I will do? 6 I will take the prime factorization. Okay, student? Now let us take 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and 15 let us take 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now 16 it is given over there. Let me draw one more line so that I can explain you in the another form. After this step we are going to follow this, not right now, 6 by 15. So just a second. Now we got here 6 by 15. Now 6 how I can represent here? 2 into 3, because these are the factors divided by 15. 15 how I can represent? 3 into 5. Very good. Now after that we will check it out what is common. So 2, oh no, 2 is not, 3 is common. So what is remaining, students? So remaining is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 I got in standard form, or else we can say simplified form, or we can say this as a standard form, and this already we know it is in equivalent form, because further we can simplify equivalent form. Clear, student? So this is a method 1. Now let us solve the same question in method 2. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 in method 2. So what I will do, every time we are taking the same step, that is take LCM of denominator. Now let us start. Then I will draw here. Very good. Now you are fully prepared that every time we are doing this rough line. So now here I have taken 15. Let me write here clearly with the green color. 4 by 15 is the color. Okay. Now 3 and 15 I need to find out the LCM. Okay. Now let us solve. Now 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Now I request everyone, let you try whether you are able to solve it or not. Okay, now let me try. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Clear, student, up to here? So what will be the LCM? LCM will be your 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now LCM of the denominator is how much we got here? 15. Now we are going to do by this shortcut method. For shortcut method, what I will do? I will directly take the LCM 15. After that, I will check the above number. What is the above number, student? Above number is 2. And the denominator first part, second number is 3. Now 3 how much of 15, students? 3 how much of 15 means 3 how much I will get here LCM. So 3 5s are, so I will multiply 2 into 3. Very good. Next I need to check now. Now I will check 15 how much of 15, 15 1s are, so I will multiply with 4 into 1. Now let me check. So 2 3s are 6 minus 4 by 15. Up to here we got the answer, correct, students? Now let me check here. We got the answer 6 minus 4, 2 by 15. Are you able to see here, student? Now we got the answer here, students. Okay. How much answer we are going to get here? 2 by 15. Clear? Are you able to understand? Now let me revise you again. 315. Correct, student? 315 we got. Now we need to subtract. 315, 2 3 is 6, 4 1 is 4. 6 minus 2, 2 by 15. Now let us check our previous calculation, that how much we are getting the answer. Now as you are able to see here, now up to here clear it is. So hope you are getting and understanding the process. It is very easy and most easiest process by which you can get the answer every time. Are you able to understand, students? Now 4 by 15. Now in this process also, as you are able to see here, that we have done each and every process, correct, student? But in this process, what was the question? What is the question, that answer we are able to get here? Okay. Now I hope that you got the logic how to solve it. In the same way you can solve 2 number, 3 number and even 4 number also. Okay, student? Okay. Now let me revise you again in this pattern what we have done. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 15. 3 and 15 we have taken LCM. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5 1s are. LCM we got 15. So again we have written 3 5s are 15 and this one 2 5s are 10. Up to here we got the answer. 10 minus 4 by 15. 10 minus 4, 6 by 15. 6 I can write here 2 into 3, 3 into 5. Now 3 3 cancel, 2 by 5 I got the answer. In the same way, now here also in this question also we had solved that. After solving, how much we are getting here? Sorry, in this question we had done one wrong. That, can you tell me what is the mistake here? 3 5s are 15, that we forgot to mention here. Then how I'll do? 3 2 into 3 how much of 15? 3 5s are, so I forgot to mention here. Now what will be the digits over in this place, the digits will be your 5 to the 10. 10 minus 4, what will be the value? 10 minus 4, the value is going to be your 6. So answer is your 6 by 15. Hope you got the logic how to solve it. Understanding, students? Here we have got the logic. Now let us solve one more question so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, now suppose I am solving 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5, let it be, minus 6 by 50. Now in this situation, now how I am going to solve the equation? So the process is very simple. Now I will take LCM of denominator, 3-digit number. LCM of denominator. Now LCM of denominator, let me draw here rough line. Now let us start. 3, 5, 15. 3 1 ja 3, 5, 3 5 ja 15. 5 1, 1 ja 1 ja. Clear, student? What is the LCM we have got here? LCM 3 into 5. 3 5 ja 15. Now directly I will apply the shortcut process that we know. 15, correct, student? Now 3 how much ja 15? 5 ja. So 2 into 5, that number, minus 4 into 5 how much ja 15, student? 3 ja. So directly I will apply 3 minus 6 into 15 how much ja 15? 1 ja. Okay, now I'll get 5 2 ja 10 minus 4 3 ja 12 minus 6 by 15. Now how much I will get here? 10, we need to do 10 minus 12, I will get minus 2 minus 6 by 15. How I am solving it? So first I am solving 10 minus 12. Later on I will tell you the properties by which you can solve it easily. So 10 minus 12, how much I will get, student? Right now we learn minus 2. So minus 2, this one if I solve, minus 8 by 15 that I am going to get here. Already we know how to solve the integer part. Hope you are getting the logic how I am solving it. One more question let us solve. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus, let it be here, 7 by 15. Same question, let it be plus. Then what I will do? Take LCM. Take LCM of denominator. Denominator. Now how I will solve? So 3. Now let me draw one line. So 3, 5, 15 LCM. 3 1 ja 3, 5, and 3 5 ja 15. After that 5, 1 ja 1. Now what is the LCM, dear student? LCM I got here 3 into 5. 3 5 ja 15. Now what I will do the next step? I will take here 15. Now 3 how much ja 15, students? 3 5 ja. So I will write 2 into 5. Very good. Plus sign is there. Again 4 into 5 how much ja 15? The denominator part I will check. Due to that I am multiplying here 4. 5 3 ja. Correct? Plus. Now 7 into 15 how much ja 15? 1 ja. So I will write here 1. Now 5 2 ja 10 plus 4 3 ja 12 plus 7 by 15 is equal to 10 plus 12. Let us add 10 12. How much after adding you will get 22 plus 7 again 9 2. So I got here 29 by 15. Hope you are getting the logic how I am solving each and every question. Are you able to understand it? Okay. Now at last let us conclude. For example, 2 by 3 plus, let it be here, 3 4 by 2. Now how we are going to solve it? So this process is also very easy. 2 by 3 plus, I will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is the process? This number into this number multiply, after that this number into this number add. So what is the, let me revise it again. 2 into 3 plus 4 divided by 2. Now let us solve. 2 by 3 plus 2 3 is 6 plus 4 by 2. Now after that 2 by 3 plus, see that how I am applying the bracket. In the same way you should also solve by the help of bracket only. Now up to here we got the answer. Now actual fractions we have reached. Now we are going to solve it in our way. Now let us start how we are going to solve. Now 2 by 3 we got plus 10 by 2 we got the answer. Okay. Now what is the process? Take LCM. LCM. Now 3 and 2. Let me draw here straight our rough line. After that we are going to solve it. Okay. Now let us start. 3. Oh, sorry. 3 and 2. What will be LCM? 2. 3 ja. 1 ja. After that 3. 1 1. So what will be LCM? LCM will be your 2 into 3. LCM will be your 6. So LCM will be your 6. After that you need to multiply. This 3 is there. So I will multiply 2 into 3. After that plus into 2. How much are 6? 3 ja. So 10 into 3. Are you able to understand? 2 3 ja 6. Due to that 3. Here it is written 3. So 3 how much is 6 student? 2 ja. Oh, I think I have written correct. So but it will be confusing for you. Let me write it again. So LCM how much you got? Take LCM. I have got here LCM 6. Now 2 number is given over there. Now I will multiply 2 into denominator part 3. 3 how much is 6? So 3 2 is 6. Okay, plus. Now 2 how much is 6? 2 3 ja. So I will multiply here 3. 2 2 ja 4 plus 10 3 ja 30 by 6. Now at last I am going to get here answer 34 by 6. 34 by 6 I got the answer. Will you leave it? No, because 34 by 6 it is a or equivalent fraction. So I will try to simplify it. How I will simplify? 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. Now after the 6 can I do? Yes. 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. 17 I can divide because 17 is a prime number. Now how I will solve here? 34. 34 I can write here answer 34 2 into 17 and 6 I can write 2 into 3. After that how I can represent here? 2 2 cancel. What is the final answer I can say dear student? That is 17 by 3 is my answer. Hope you are getting the logic how we are going to solve it. Are you able to understand? If you have any doubt, let me know. Just watch the video again. Okay. Hope you got the logic how to solve it. Okay. Now suppose dear student, maximum time you will get one special type of question. 2 by 3 plus 1 how to solve, sir. Or then how I am going to solve here? Then see here what I will do. 2 by 3 plus, if the denominator is not there, I will take 1 by 1. Now how I will solve? Take LCM of 3 and 1. Now 3 and 1 what will be LCM? 3 1. Let me draw here a rough line. Now 3 and 1 what will be LCM? 1 3 ja 1. After 3 sorry 3 1 ja 1 up to here completed. So LCM will be here directly we can say LCM is 3. Now is 3. Now how I am going to solve it? So LCM is 3. Now I will check 3 how much are 3? 1 ja. So I will multiply 2 into 1 plus. Now my next 1 how much are 3? 3 ja. So 1 into 3. Now I am going to write 2 1 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3 by 3. I am going to write directly here 5 by 5 plus 3 3 by 2. Now these two are both a prime number. So I can say directly it is a simplified form. No need to simplify. Are you able to understand, student? Now let's take the same example 2 by 3 plus suppose it is 4. Then how you are going to solve it? Already I told you 2 by 3. If the denominator is not there then you can take 1. Now same process. Take LCM. Take LCM of denominator. Denominator. Now how will solve here? 3 and 4. LCM I need to take it. Now let us start. Now denominator how I will take it? So let me start it here. So 3 and 1. So what will be answer? 3 1 ja 1. So LCM will be how much dear student? 3. So I will take a long line then 3. Now 3 how much are 3? 1 ja. So 2 into 1 plus 4 into. Now 1 how much ja 3? So 3 ja. Now what I will do here? 2 1 ja 2, 4 3 ja 12 by 3. 2 plus 12 how much I will get here dear student? 14 by 30. Now one is prime number and another is your basically even number, so composite number. So this also simplified form, we can't solve further, there is no any common factor between them. Okay students, hope you are getting the logic. Now same question dear student, 2 by 3 minus 5, then how we are going to solve here? In this process also same, 2 by 3 minus 5 by 1. After that take LCM of denominator, take LCM of denominator. Now let us start how I am going to solve. So 3 and 1, what will be answer? 3 1 ja 1 ja. So LCM will be your 3. Now how I am going to solve here? Divided by 3. 2 into 3, how much ja? 3 1 ja. So I will write here 1 minus 5 into 1, how much ja? 3 3 ja. So I will multiply here 3. Now I'll do 2 1 ja 2 minus 5 3 ja 15 by 3. Clear student? Now 2 minus 15, how much I will get? They are telling 2 and minus 15. Can we solve? No. First I need to transpose this term. Minus 15 plus 2. Plus into minus minus. So I will do here negative and here 13. 15 is a bigger sign due to the sign is minus. So answer is minus 13 by 3. Hope you are getting the logic how we are solving it. Now dear student, most basically very interesting question we can say, 1 divided by 2 by 3. Now how to solve it? In the same pattern we should solve, 1 by 1 divided by 2 by 3. Now how to solve? 1 by 1, that is first fraction divided by lower fraction. Already I told you the rule, that is your lower to upper, and I told you the rule next is your middle to middle. Now let us apply 3 into 2, 1 into. Now how I'll solve? 3 into 1, 1 into 2. 3 by 2 is your answer. Same way, suppose the question came 2 by 3 divided by 4. Now how we are going to divide? So first number 2 by 3 divided. Next number is not there, then 4 by 1. Now what is the process? Process is same. 2 by 3, first number I will write first and second number I will write down. Now I will apply lower to upper, middle to middle. What will answer? 1 into 2, follow the arrow mark, and 3 into 4. So 2 after the 4 3 is 12. Now 2 and 12 it is there. Now it can further simplify also. How I can simplify? If I am taking the prime factor, for example 2, then I will get 2 1 ja. If I am taking 12, then I will get 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja. So I will write here 2, and here I can write instead of 2 into 2 into 3. Now I will check that whether I can cancel 2 to cancel. Now what is the final answer, student? I can write here that I can mention here 1 by 6, because nothing is there, then 1 by 6 is your answer. Hope you got the logic that how I am solving. I request you to watch the video again and again so that each and every type of problem you can clear it, and if you have any doubt you can drop in your chat box. Thank you very much.